Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I will be showing you how to use circle to construct a triangle when giving a length of all three sides. Uh, let's say the sides of the triangles are side of triangles are text side 8. Let's say AB is 60 degrees, and to add a degree sign on AutoCAD, it is percentage D to a degree sign. So AB is, oh, not degree. AB is 60 millimeters. BC, BC is 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. And AC is 90 millimeters. 90 millimeters. So the sides are AB 60, BC 70, and AC 90. Now, the first step is to draw a circle of diameter 60 millimeters. So we click on circle, or we type C for circle, then go to 2 point, circle 2 point. We left click here and enter 60, 60, enter for that. I'm going to move this from there to a separate location. To move, I simply left click and drag the middle and then pull to a different location. That is good. Now that I've done that, my next step is to it is important that you have quadrant active. Yeah, if quadrant is not active, you will not be able to complete this task effectively, right? So just in case quadrant is not active, to activate quadrant, we type OSNAP, OSNAP, enter, and we go down here. We ensure that quadrant is ticked, quadrant, then OK. Now that quadrant is ticked, we would have drawn first line. If you want, you could go ahead and draw a line from one quadrant to the center or to the circle. The next step is to draw a circle. So here would be A, this end would have been B. Yeah. So to construct side BC, we draw a circle of radius 70 millimeters from this side. So for that, we type C for circle, enter key. We then left click here as our center, then enter 70, 70, enter key for that side. Now, the principle here is that from the center of the circle to some point on the circumference is 70 millimeters. Yeah, we don't know exactly where on the circumference the 70 millimeters will fall, but that would be relative to the point AC. So our next step is to reactivate our circle by typing C, enter, or spacebar. We then click the next end here, which would be your A. We then drag a little bit, then type 90. 90 for the radius, 90, enter key, enter. Now, the point where both arcs meet is our the point where both circles meet is our point C. And this principle is similar to when we're using arc to draw a circle. Same principle basically. Now that we have done this, the next step is to change to our outline layer. We go down to outline and then we then click polyline. For this, I have lines that are inclined, so it's best to turn off orthogonal mode. So I turn off my orthogonal mode I left click here, left click at this point, this end of line, left click here, then type C for close. So C for close, enter, and this will close the figure just like that. So there we have a triangle. Now, to check to ensure that the sides are as required, I'm going back to dimension, up to dimension, left click here. I then click the drop down, and in this case I want a line, and I use a line because these lines are sloped. So I left click here, I then left click here, drag a little bit, and that is that. Spacebar to reactivate, left click here. And it's important to note that you can click left click twice, and then you can just touch the line and move. Yeah. Spacebar 2 times, bam, bam. Once that box pops up, you left click here and drag. Yeah. And of course, this is an easier way of drawing lines of dimension in a figure. And this is done. Now I want to change these to my construction layer. So I left click on these, then go up to my construction layer and click onto that. And now those are changed to my construction layer. So this is how you use circle to construct a triangle when giving a length of all 3 sides. Remember though guys to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, here is where you get good quality videos, modern techniques, short and efficient approach to drawing. Yeah, bye.